let's solve this problem by clearing fractions. So I look at just the numbers that are in the denominator between 2 and 3. 6 would be the common denominator. So I'm going to multiply everything by 6, which is the same as 6 over 1. So everything gets multiplied by 6. Okay, and now here I'm not going to distribute my 6 quite yet. Instead, I'm going to simplify because 2 would go into 6 3 times. So I'm going to simplify that. Okay, so 6 over 1. Okay, whatever is in that numerator, the 2 and the 6, those can cancel. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Okay, so then I would get 3 times whatever's in that second denominator all over just 1. Okay, so I simplify here. That simplifies to 1, 2 divided by 2, 6 divided by 2 is 3. And now I can distribute my 3. I'll have 3 times x plus 3. 6 times 6 is 36. And again here I'm going to simplify. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. And then I'll have 2 that I'm going to distribute times that x minus 6. All right, now I'm ready to distribute. So I've got 3x plus 9 plus 36. Distributing my 2, I've got 2x minus 12. Now I'll get all my x's on one side. Okay, so let's see. First I'm just going to add my 9 and my 36, which is 45. And now I'll get all my x's on one side and the numbers on the other. So 3x minus 2x, that is just x. I'm going to go ahead and just subtract 45 from both sides at the same time. My 2x's cancel. Negative 12 minus 45 more. That would be negative 57. So x is equal to negative 57.